My Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra just received a new December 2025 software update, and the size of the update is 591 megabyte. This update mainly focuses on security, but before any software update, there are some very important precautions you must follow. In this video, I will update my phone and also share must know safety tips so your update stays smooth and risk free. This is a monthly security update, which means it fixes system vulnerabilities, improves device protection, and keeps your personal data safer. Even though this update doesn't bring any big visual changes, security updates are very important for long-term performance and security. That means privacy. Security updates protect your phone from malware, known hacking risks, app level exploits, and system bugs. Samsung and Google regularly patch security holes that most users even never notice. Skipping updates can make your phone less secure and more vulnerable, especially if you use banking apps, email, or social media, which I am sure all of you are using. Precautions before installing any software updates are as follows. At first, charge your phone. Make sure your phone's battery is at least 50% or more. Ideally, you can also keep the phone plugged in during the update. Then, stable internet connection. Avoid mobile data or unstable connections during update and installation. Also, of course, you must back up your important data. Although updates are safe, but it's always smart to back up your data using Samsung Cloud, Google Drive, Smart Switch, or offline backup. Then free up some storage. Ensure you have enough free storage. Low storage can cause installation failure or slow performance after the update. And most importantly, don't interrupt the update. Never try to restart your phone or force shutdown, or don't press any button while the installation process is going on. Interrupting an update can lead to boot loops or system errors. And during installation, it will take few minutes and your phone may restart multiple times. It's completely normal. After updating, let your phone settle for a few minutes after the unlocking process. You may notice slight heating or battery drain or sluggishness, because this is normal as the system optimizes itself. So that's how you safely install any Samsung or Android software update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Galaxy Station. I will bring more Samsung and Android updates very soon.